I didn't light him up yet, but he's moving quick. Still going southbound.
Confirm, he's still going southbound?
That's affirmed.
Sorry, he's northbound, northbound.
Negative, northbound.
Now he's going eastbound. Looks like could be Lure. Standby. I'm sorry, I got my directions mixed up. He's going west. Going west on, looks like, standby. Yep, west on Lure.
I'm on the frontage road trying to cut him off.
1044 on south, unit 44 on south.
Give us an update, sir.
I can't. I'm too far behind him. Stand by.
There's nothing to the frontage road, Karen. I'm on the highway.
Yeah, I've lost him. Stand by. There he is in front of me again. Heart, soul, and I'm going to light him up.
Yep, I got him here. I'm going to try to spike him. He's going northbound on Meadow. Northbound on Meadow, Kev.
Go around me. I just high-centered myself.
He's still northbound on Meadow. He's decided what he wants to do here. Just made a right-hand turn next cross street.
Give us the description again.
Right-hand turn on 72nd. It's a green over gray F-150.
I got him. He went northbound on a side street.
Was it right here, Burrowwood?
He's northbound right there, Kevin. Make a right.
He's northbound Burrowwood. He's getting ready. He's going back, making a right-hand turn 1 street north of Oakwood. Let me get you the cross here. The right-hand turn on Oakwood. He's parallel in 68.
We need somebody on Lakotas.
That's right, 67. We got Lakotas.
Okay, I lost him here at Oakwood. I don't see anything south. He must have gone east or west on 68.
I think he went eastbound on 68.
Okay, I'm cresting the hill here. I'll see if I can catch him.
X12 at 68, Lakotas.
Break, northbound 68 from Lake Otis. You got him there. He's right in front of you.
X12 northbound, approaching Dowling. He's slowing down a little bit. Which way, sir? Still northbound. He's through some traffic. I've got a 10-6. Hey, Kevin, also be advised we have spikes at Lakewood, Lake Otis and 50th.
All right, well, he's still northbound Lake Otis.
Yeah, we see him here.
Give that spike attempt a try.
Yeah, he's going westbound on 50th. We'll see if he ends up ditching his car here from Lake Otis.
X12 traffic is okay. Was that a 10-6 or can we follow?
Did we get him spiked or not?
No, he avoided the spike. We're on Waldron, westbound. He's probably going to get trapped up in here at Waldron and Campbell.
We need a unit to drop off here at Roger.
And Delta 2, if he bails, I'm monitoring. I got a track team ready to respond.
Copy. Yeah, I'm on Little Tree and 58. He's driving probably about 30 miles an hour or so.
Yeah, let's, somebody on Brayton? 21 Bravo 1, I'm on frontage now.
He's westbound 58 from Little Tree.
Unmarked in front of me, drop back. Let me take your spot.
X12 all units. We'll try this in this neighborhood, but if he gets back out onto Brayton or the main road, we're going to cancel. If you're in front, get some spikes ready.
Okay, he's westbound 53rd from Trina. And we were going probably about 30, 25, 30. There's no traffic and no one out right now.
21 Bravo 1, I got spikes at Alpenhorn and Brayton.
Okay, I am at Windflower and at Aspen Roadwood, and he just went into a dead end here. So we're at 5452, white male, black hoodie, and we kind of got this face-off going here. And he just 1123'd me.
Break. Felony assault on an officer and is going northbound on Trina. 10-6 that. Northbound on Wildflower through Aspen Road. Almost hit another officer. There's 2 counts.
There are units still on Lake Otis. He's probably going to come back out over there.
Shots fired, shots fired. Driver's hit.
You got a location?
Trip to 10-7, Windflower and 53rd, and that's where they have them.
Yeah, as soon as we get a status, and do we have medics responding yet?
That's affirmed.
For 1701, 53rd.
1.
I2, reduce anyone else. We have multiple units here. Reduce anyone else.